The name of my piece is called Broken. In the hands of someone careless, being crushed into pieces, taken, broken, stumped on, thrown around, just can't take it anymore. So I hit rock bottom. Shut down, can't function, no living beat. Laying there helpless, exposed, no trust, no hope lies within me. Wanting to recover, but that is hard to imagine. Time after time, lies thrown at me, fake feelings, just things that I wanted to hear. But why? Why would you ever put someone through that? Fill me up, use me, empty me out, throw me away, out in the cold. Just so damn cold-hearted. But I had the nerve to think that you love me? No. No, no, no. And I sit here hoping that someone will come rescue my heart. Or is that what I really want? Can I ever give someone that chance? Only time will tell. Thank you.
Ladies, can you come back for a second?
Woo!
Everybody say, "Aww."
Aww.
Wasn't that sweet?
She's so sweet.
It was good though, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So y'all give her another round of applause. Wait. She's moving too fast. All right, there's something else I want y'all to pay attention to. You see what she's wearing? Can y'all see that?
Yeah.
It says poetic rock star of romance. That's all about poetry right there. That's all about that Love Jones poet. Y'all don't know anything about that. But I'm going to introduce you just a little bit later.